Hey everyone, Vinayak here. Storage is something I want a lot more of as I create a lot of videos and recording in 4K does fill up my drives quite fast. I have 3 standard HDDs which are starting to show their age, and with NVMe SSDs slowly lowering in price, I thought let's purchase one with a moderately high capacity. And it would be my working drive as it would be the fastest in the system. I chose the XPG Gammix S5 1TB. The drive is already installed in the PC. Is it worth it? Watch on to find out. I have not used XPG or adata storage earlier, and XPG as a brand, I've only used the XPG core reactor power supply in my current workstation. Recording in 4K fills up my drives quite fast, and being mechanical HDDs, they are prone to failure sooner or later. Even though it's been more than 3 years now, one of them is starting to make funny noises. My motherboard has 2 M.2 NVMe slots. I have one M.2 drive already installed behind the heatsink provided on the motherboard. M.2 slots allow for cable-free installation, making it easy to install and neat. XPG or Extreme Performance Gear is the PC gaming hardware wing of adata. And here's the box. XPG Gammix S5. We have the technical info on the top here. NVMe 1.3 with 3D NAND flash tech, which allows for higher capacity, better durability and power efficiency. It has a M.2 2280 form factor with a PCIe Gen 3 interface and supports the latest Intel and AMD platforms. HMB or host memory buffer and SLC caching allows the Gammix S5 to accelerate read-write speeds up to 2100 Mbps and 1500 Mbps respectively. This is 3 to 4 times faster than standard SATA SSDs. The Gammix S5 utilizes LDPC or low density parity check, which are error correcting code technology to detect and fix a wider range of data errors for more reliable data transfers and a longer product lifespan. The drive also comes backed by a 5-year warranty. I have the 1TB version. Sizes available are from 256GB to all the way to 2TB. The black PCB with the heatsink on top looks really cool. The red logo and the text just accentuates its gaming DNA. The heatsink looks like the hood of a racing car with a hairline brushed finish. The heatsink is supposed to keep the drive up to 10 degrees cooler as compared to M.2 SSDs without a heatsink. The controller is the Realtek RTS5763DL. Size-wise, it's 22mm wide, 80mm long, and 3.7mm thick. It uses a single-sided M.2 design. The other side is devoid of any chips. Let's install it and get some benchmarks underway. I'm using the slot under my GPU as I already have another M.2 drive under the motherboard's heatsink. The XPG Gammix S5 having its own heatsink is great as it should manage to keep itself cool. Using any slot on the motherboard is fine by me as both my drives are only PCIe Gen 3. My motherboard does support Gen 4 speeds, but none of my drives are Gen 4. The styling is really gaming centric and the heatsink makes it look cool. Initialize the drive using Disk Manager, create a partition. I'm naming it 1TB M.2, making it easier for me to find even if the drive letter changes. And the drive is ready to use. We have 953GB available out of the 1TB. Now for some benchmarks. Crystal Disk Mark shows some great speeds. 2124 Mbps read and 1100 write. Wow, that's fast. Now let's check out what Blackmagic's disk speed test shows. An average read speed of around 1623 and 1037 Mbps write. Let's try copying files to and from the drive. The speeds do stay high in the beginning and then drop down during the copying process. The drive would work great as a boot drive and also for creators who need fast access to their footage while editing. It looks like it's designed more for desktop PCs as the heatsink would hit the back cover on laptops. I have not tried to remove the heatsink as I don't want to damage it. Being an entry-level NVMe drive, it still performed admirably well. So that was the video. Make sure to like, subscribe and also hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.